26940 Malibu Cove Colony is the Malibu dream. Nothing says quintessential Malibu more than this house. And the moment you walk through the front door, of course your eye goes to the Pacific Ocean. How can it not? However, you take a beat and you realize that there are all these incredible shapes and dimensions and the walls dissolve. No two moments in this home are the same because the light is constantly changing. Every inch of this house makes sense. It has everything it needs. I think well-appointed space is worth so much more than a lot of space. It's truly, truly a jewel. Every inch captures one's imagination. The sweeping views of the Pacific Ocean are mesmerizing, and to walk right outside and beyond the sand is magical. If you're seated at the desk in the primary bedroom, you look out onto the ocean. Yet again, you see the reflection of the sand and the surf, and there's that tremendous movement, happening all of the time. The use of the ocean as sort of a motif, a theme, is inside the house as well as outside the house. When you take a fabulous bath in the primary bathroom, you see the reflection of the waves crashing on the surf. It feels very spiritual here. It's the quiet is something I rarely have the opportunity to experience. And I feel almost as though I'm in a vacuum just because it's so isolated in its feel. Even though there's all of Malibu and Los Angeles just, a few miles away. But when you're here, it's peaceful, it's spiritual. This house has a way of washing over you. Every moment is an experience. Every moment is a treat. When you're here, this is everything.